that'll give you a binder.
Yeah,
It's
I
got
need
a
that
little,
binder.
it's got a little clip in there that you can, a hole punch.